Hello YouTube, welcome back to Style with Nina. Thank you for tuning in and watching my 12 Days of Luxury series. We are on day 9, I believe. This is day 9. Day 9. And today's video is going to be some of my latest vintage, thrift, eBay type of purchases. So not that many because I'm trying to keep all these videos short, but yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So my first item that I absolutely love is going to be this vintage Fendi agenda cover. Hope you guys can see that. It is the size, it's basically comparable to the same size as the large Louis Vuitton one. I believe that's the GM size. But yeah, so I was able to score this bad boy for, I believe I paid $70 for this one. Yeah, this one was $70. And y'all know LV is more. Plus, I just like that it was Fendi, so it was a little different than the LV agenda. Right now, I just have paper in it, but I will be adding some agenda paper. I keep hearing that Etsy has some really good refills for it, so I'm going to go ahead and look at that. But yeah, that's the first thing. My second item, I actually got this one and it is so beautiful. I'm so annoyed because, well, let me show it to you. So this is a vintage, what do you call this? It's a purse. It's a clutch. So you can wear it like that, but then it also has the handle part. And you guys, I don't know what brand this is. I'm going to stand up and show you. Has this weird, if you know what brand this is, let me know. But that's the only marking. Let me see if I can. But do y'all see? So I was at the place and they had a little sticker right here that had the price on it. So of course when I got home and removed the sticker, it took a little bit of the leather off. So I'm annoyed about that. But this thing is so amazing. So that is the only marking that is on this entire, excuse my nails, you guys. I need my nails done, but I've been so busy. But that's the only marking. So if you know what that marking is, let a sister know, because I have done all my research and I have no idea. So this is the purse. It's so cute. The lighting is changing. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a zipper. This is a better, this shows a better, so yeah, if you know what brand that is, let me know. I'm assuming it's vintage because I was at an estate sale, but I could even be wrong with it being vintage. But it's a beautiful, soft leather. And the way you close it makes me think it's vintage, but hey. So yeah, that thing is cute, cute, cute. So that's that. Can y'all still see me? Yep, yep, yep. Okay. Okay. My third item is this amazing Fendi Magic bag. That's what it's called. It's the Fendi Magic tote. I actually was so crazy. I actually had this bag and sold it. And then loved the bag so much that I wanted it again, and actually found this bad boy on eBay for, I know it was less than $70. It was something so cheap that I thought it was going to be fake because Fendi was fire too. I mean, I just got this thing. But this was a Japanese, got this from a Japanese seller. So yeah, that's that. My other one that I had that was identical to this was the dark brown leather, not the lighter brown. So, but yeah, that's that. And then y'all, this is straight up score. You hear me? Score, score, score. I love this thing. What y'all think this is? Y'all think this is a Hermes? That's what y'all think, right? You see this bag? I gotta stand up. This thing is fire. Y'all know that's my word. So, I know y'all think this could possibly be a Kelly, a Hermes Kelly bag. It's not. What is it you say? This is a vintage Bali bag. And I did some research, and the crazy thing is, we don't know if Hermes came out with this design first or Bali. Research would say that Bali did. So I don't know. So I love this bag. So that's the inside. I'm trying to show you guys the Bali. So anyway, this is a vintage Bali bag. This is going to be the closest thing that I get to an Hermes, because listen, this style of bag is just not something that I would carry. I mean, I would carry, but yeah, I just love this bag. Like, I just love this bag. The hardware is a little tarnished, so I'm going to send it in to I'll either send this into leather surgeons, or I am going to take it to my local person and have them redo the hardware. But I love y'all know I love vintage. So yeah, this bad boy was, I got this one for like $100. I know it was like around $100. And yes, it looking like an Hermes Kelly influenced my decision. It did. I'm not a knockoff girl, but I do love vintage handbags because, you know, a lot of these brands, you don't know who made what first, because a lot of these fashion houses got started around the same time. And we know Bali has been around for forever. I'm not about to act like I've done a whole bunch of research and I know when Hermes got started versus Bali, but I do know that we don't know who started this particular, you know, Hermes gets the credit for it, but actually this design was, they both had it around the same time, so we don't know. But yeah, I love this bag. It's very cute. Glad I added to my collection. You guys, I'm gonna do a people have been asking me to do a video on my handbag collection. My collection is so large that I'm trying to figure out how to do it, how to condense it down. But I do have, you guys, I have this bag. It's a vintage handbag. Can't think of the name. It looks identical to a Dior bag. And this brand actually came out before I did my research. This brand came out before Dior. But I don't have the bag, so I'm not going to ramble about it. But when I do my vintage collection, I'm going to make sure that I start with that one, because it'll just show you guys that, you know, and I'm a label person, you know I am. But a lot of these fashion houses, you know, parallel with designs. Like, they have a lot of similar designs. So I'm a vintage girl, love this bag. Yeah, so that will conclude. Oh, I'm not done. I thought I was done. Okay, so that's the handbags. Then I got two more items real quick that I picked up. These shoes are so cute, you guys. I'm gonna stand up so you can see it until I figure out how to work my new. So yeah, these shoes are amazing. I am going to insert a picture of the shoes on. But these are some Lamb by Gwen Stefani. Look at that bottom. Maybe worn once. Got these at, y'all know I shop everywhere. I actually got these at Plato's Closet for something real cheap. I want to say like $10, $15. So I'm gonna try these on for you guys. And then my last deal, okay, let me show you the box. Can y'all see the box? Yep. Y'all see these Chanel, I'm trying to stand up so y'all can see it. Chanel Mary Jane shoes. They are so cute on. I ain't even gonna tell y'all how much I paid for these because y'all ain't gonna believe me. Y'all ain't gonna believe me. But, so yeah. Love these. I guess I'll insert a picture of me with these on too because they look weird. They look weird, so I'll do that. Make sure I'm showing you guys. Very cute. Love, love, love. Came with the dust bag. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I thought when I purchased these shoes that I was gonna get them in and they weren't gonna be authentic because they were priced that low. I'm gonna just round it about. It was under $100. That's all I'm gonna give you. They was well under 100. But anyway, I think that, you know, so I was in communications with the lady, and so what I think is this lady was mad at her. I don't know if she had broke up with somebody or what, but she was just like, I just don't want shoes no more, just whatever. In the box, dust bag and everything. Y'all know Chanel, these I know retailed. I did my research on these. These originally were I want to say $5.95 or $6.95, and I don't even know, she may have worn these once, like, yeah. So I grabbed these bad boys. So yeah, I believe that that is going to be it for video 9. So video 8, well, yeah, so we're on video 9. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I do. And you know I'm doing a giveaway, so that'll be coming up. I'm not going to tell you which video, but you just got to keep watching. I love you guys. Stay stylish, stay fabulous, and let me knock these other videos out. Mwah.